Today we're at the Captain Thaddeus Pollard Georgian Colonial Mansion in the Still River section of Harvard, Massachusetts. The home is about 238 years old, and the tree behind me is the third largest sycamore in Massachusetts, which it's approximately 400 years old. And on the upper part of the 16 acres is a beautiful farm pond with expansive views looking west to Mount Wachusett. Captain Pollard and his wife Submit had 13 children. Their descendants are still in Massachusetts and all the way to Oregon and as far south as Arizona. The home has been meticulously maintained, and I do hope that you'll come and visit the inside. My name is Steve Nigzus. I'm with Harvard Realty. I look forward to showing you the interior of 327 Still River Road. Please call me at 617-834-8518 to arrange your custom tour. Thank you.